Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go can't trade cards. So if you're having issue with trading cards, so what you can do, open up Monopoly and then you got to make sure that if you want to trade cards, you can only trade cards or send cards to people in your friend list. So those people that have accepted your friend list only. So you won't be able to send it to other people other than your friends list. So make sure that you have, so it's a best idea to have your friends from your social media added, and just make sure that they have accepted your friend request and they're on your list. And then once if they're on your list, then try to trade with them. And if you're still having issues with that, then there might be a bug with the app. So what you can do, as usual, we can try to see if there is any update to the app. So just go to your Play Store and then check for any updates to the app. So if there's if there's an update to the app, then kindly just update your app. And once you have done and once you have updated your app, and if you're still having issues, then what you can do, you can try to reinstall your app, and that should fix the app and also reinstall and also restart your phone. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.